Hey everybody, welcome back. Time again for another update. It's been a week. Anyway, I'm going to show you, we've been cranking through some panels, trying to get them somewhat finished. And there's some other things I've got, so stay tuned. So some of you have seen the console that we got from Eurospares. I've gone ahead and put in our 2-din stereo, so that's now in the system. Then we also got this nice part, which is the front part of the dash. The rest of it we're going to make. It's just too bloody expensive to get those dashes, so what we're going to do is we're going to take some MDF, 1/4-inch MDF. We're going to shape it in here. We're going to get it to the right pattern, and then we're going to try to mimic a normal Aventador dash. We did get the, as you saw before, we did get the vents to go along with that dash, so stay tuned for that. And then out here we've sanded down some of our parts again. This is obviously the wing and the risers. We still have to coat the other side. But it's looking okay. I wouldn't say it was show quality, but I'm not going for that right now. Maybe down the road. These are the sail panels that you saw before, so we got those 2K cleared as well, and we're just waiting for these to dry. And the next thing is that we've prepped our engine cover. We've got it down here in our little epoxy room, and we're gonna put the first coat of epoxy. Now this came out really nice and flat, just like the sail panels, and I only needed to put one layer of epoxy on it, so keep your fingers crossed. So anyway, I'll be showing you that right after I get the layer of epoxy on. And there we go, all epoxied up. That's gonna be a lot of sanding. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was short, but we're going to keep plugging away at it, so stay tuned.